Get good data.
Go. Yes.
All right, yeah. Measure that distance.
The first time it wasn't steady enough. It wasn't equal. So we just added a little bit of weight down the middle just to give it that little extra, you know. Okay, ready? Ready, set, go.
12 feet.
12 feet. Woo.
Oh.
Which one's done there? 12 feet and what?
No, one back on one. Yeah. Okay, 12.
Well, but you want to kind of like push it right forward. A little up. This is very good.
Okay, guys. What are you guys doing right now?
We're gluing the wheels on.
And what engineer is she?
She is...
Chemical.
Hold on. Yeah.
Chemical engineer.
I do.
Alright.
I'm Victoria, and we are trying to do a 3D printed version of the mechanical flapping bird. I'm doing my PhD in electrical engineering, and we basically did the frame for the mechanical flapping bird. The only parts that we were using from the original one was this part, just because we need this mechanism so that the mechanical flapping bird can flap eventually.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Put it on the ground. Put it on the ground.
That's all 3D.
8 feet. Now let's go 8 feet.
Feet.
Go.
Yeah.
0.71.
All right.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. No, I didn't angle. I said one. Jeez. It's...
So give it a little so that air can go into the wings. Okay, I'm gonna stand farther back. I scoot it back with the tile. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Nope.
Do over.
I would start it like you did last time, where the wings were slightly up. That way, right when you let go, it flaps. gives you a little bit of push.
Hi, I'm Liz. I study aerospace engineering and I'm working as an analyst at a retail company.
Oh.
Yeah.
First, they're gonna take whatever they thought they got wrong and implement it into the right version so they can get accurate data.
The kids are building stuff.
And putting in the data that the kids got. Saving it, getting their children.
But I did my name already, look at that.
Nice.
Kind of, sort of.
From where do we measure? 10, 3.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Nice.
Nice. Wait, actually, you have another aerospace engineer right there. So you can ask her some questions on how to fly better.
How do we fly better?
Fly better. Maybe try less up or like when you release, don't throw it up because it's gonna work. Okay, look up, hold on, steady. 1, 2, 3, go.
Basically, what I do is organize and make sure, like using my engineering knowledge, that those tests are going to be run successfully. So I have the responsibility for running those development tests and making sure and checking to see that, yes, we can get this amount of data or this data from these engines that we're running.
How many girls do you work with?
I am the only girl in our group,
Oh.
but there are other project engineers. There's a lot of girls like project engineers, but usually it's me.
Why do you like being a lab engineer?
I really like being a lab engineer, again, just because it's really hands-on. There's no other group, like there's project, there's combustion, there's performance engineering. They don't see the engines that often. They'll be working and just kind of see the numbers that we give them. So my project is the data, and I get to physically be there and make sure that that data is being captured. And then they'll only see that data. They'll be sitting in front of a computer all day, and as I'm at my desk maybe an hour the whole day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Who round of applause. Okay, Cassie.
I'm Cassie. I'm a senior aerospace engineer here at ASU, and I guess I'm here to get involved in the outreach. So I think it's important for more women to get involved in engineering. Any questions?
What's your favorite part about aerospace engineering?
Well, I really like planes, so I get to be involved with that. And eventually, I want to develop a space plane, so like space travel type stuff. That's my favorite part, yeah.
Why ASU?
I guess because it was in Arizona, honestly. But ASU also has a really good engineering program, so that's why I chose them above like Tucson, Flagstaff for aerospace engineering.
Have you been in any internships?
I've had research positions. So for the past couple summers, I've gone to different universities, and I do research with labs there. I've done a couple.
What courses have you taken to get to where you are?
They came prepared this week.
A lot of the courses, the ones specifically aerospace, are aerodynamics, high-speed aerodynamics, aircraft dynamics and control, space vehicle dynamics and control. Right now I'm in propulsion, vibrations. Those are
Like the things that you build, do you ever get to like write them? Like go over like drive them and write them?
well, right now I'm just a student, so I don't get to build anything, but eventually I'm hoping to get my pilot's license so that I can actually fly.
You're not afraid of heights?
No, like I've gone skydiving and stuff.
Oh my god, you're crazy.
It's really fun. Anything else?
Okay, thank you. Round of applause. Okay, Julie?
I'm a sophomore mechanical engineering student here at ASU, and I'm from Phoenix. Not sure.
What do you like about mechanical engineering?
I guess it's like a lot of math and physics, which are kind of more like the subjects that I like.
Do you think you'll change your major?
I don't think I'm gonna change it.
Do you want to pursue this as like a lifelong career?
I'm hoping so, but I don't know what to go on like later in life. But for now, I'm hoping I can stick with it. And so far, I haven't had like any point where I'm like, maybe I want to change this.
Okay, thank you. Okay. And then, you're new.
I am Liz. I went to New Mexico State too. I studied aerospace engineering and I got a minor in mechanical engineering. I got hired at Raytheon in Tucson. I don't live in Phoenix. And I got hired as a system test engineer. So, but my position is an analyst. So whenever they do testing on missiles, they get data and I have to look at it and just see like using MATLAB. I have to see plots and different things. At first I was like, oh, what is all this? Like, just lines and I don't know what that means, but eventually I got the hang of it and right now I'm just, like something fails, I'll let the other engineers know, the ones that are doing like integration and stuff, so trying to get more hands-on in the lab just so I would be your computer just doing MATLAB, the whole day. So yeah.
You like what you do?
So far, yes, but I just want to get more hands-on in the lab so I can have both, like see what's going on in the missile, see the parts, and then go back to the data and know how I can connect those two.
Do you think you would like later only use something else besides missiles and stuff?
Yeah, actually, I'm planning to go into computer engineering. I didn't like aerospace, but I just kind of went with it since, I took hard classes and I was like, I don't have enough money to change my major to electrical, so.
So you're gonna go back to college?
Yeah, I'm planning to hopefully. Maybe I could get another job more related to, I don't know, computer engineering, and maybe I won't go back if I do that, but I would really want to go back.
Hi everybody, so my name's Robert. I am an electrical engineer. I've gone to grad school for a master's and I did some research in image processing. So all the stuff you see in Photoshop, things like that, I know how the back end works, so how to code that. I've worked as a software engineer over in Maryland for about 2 years, and then now I am teaching at Scottsdale Community College, teaching introductory math or algebra. Yes.
What got you into electrical engineering?
Oh, okay. So that's kind of funny. So my dad was a mechanical engineer, and I was like, I want to do some type of engineer, but I didn't know what. And I will always like computers, so decided just to go into electrical engineering, saw how it was, and decided I really liked it. I liked the programming aspect of it, not so much like there's like power lines and stuff like that. That's part of electrical engineering too. So it's a really big field, and there's so much you can do in it, and that's like another thing that I really like.
Do you like where you teach?
I do, yeah. So Scottsdale Community College is very nice. There's a lot of friendly faculty, and the students are really great also. So. makes my job a lot easier when my students cooperate.
Were you planning?
Yeah, go ahead.
Are you planning to do anything else?
Besides teach? Yeah, definitely. I am trying to get a job in computer vision. So computer vision is something like the Xbox Kinect, and you can stand in front of a camera and they'll know what you're doing. So I want to get into that type of work.
Were you ever planning on being a teacher?
A little bit, yeah. So like during my grad school, I would teach, and then I really liked it. I could help my students improve. I'm seeing that more now, so it's good. I might get some more.
Thank you. Okay, well.
But anyway, my feedback matters, I see. So what I did see is more involvement, and what I liked is that, you know, you guys had a great questioning attitude. So, for example, I saw one of you guys was measuring your units for distance in inches, and then you converted it over to meters to get meters per second for your velocity. Some numbers didn't seem right to some of you because you were thinking, oh, well, there's no way we could be traveling this fast. So I saw some people doing peer checks and then validating, hey, this makes more sense, or you made you forgot this factor to convert over from inches to meters. And it's that type of attitude that's going to get you to where you want to go, because ultimately, you don't want to make the mistake where your design doesn't work because you didn't convert units right. So I like that involvement. You know, if you see that something doesn't seem right, you know, I saw people stepping up and saying, this doesn't seem right, let's reconsider this. And you know, it takes a team to be successful, and I did see that you guys are developing those sort of characteristics, and it's very positive.
So thank you so much for coming. I appreciate all you guys' help, and I will see you guys next week. Yeah.